Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're working on the base model Ford Mustang, the 2024 and newer model year. Basically what we did to this Mustang is we added factory GPS navigation, we added factory Sirius XM Satellite Radio, we even added the wireless smartphone charger. To top it all off, we're going to go with the full housing, the 2 digital displays in one housing. It's going to make your Mustang look a lot more modern, sleek, and sporty. Basically, your speedometer cluster display is here, your infotainment display is here. It combines it all into one housing, and you can add that to your base model Mustang. Now, those of you who have the premium Mustang already have this and are enjoying that at the moment. So today we're going to show you how easy it is to install it in your base model Mustang. So let's get started.
Alright, so when you're going in to swap out these 2 screens, your cluster and your infotainment screen, we did a video on the navigation upgrade where we had to pull the screen. Essentially, it's just doing that twice. They're both attached the same way. There's 3 8mm holding the screen on, and I believe 3 8mm holding the cluster on as well. Where we're going to start is pulling this top dash cover right here, this piece off. It's held in with some retaining clips. So if you got a sturdy panel tool, you can get in between there and start to pop this up. Just like that. And right behind both screens you have 3. One in the center is going to be really high up, so that's going to be the easiest one to get to. And then on the sides you have 2 deeper 8mm screws that are going down on the sides. So I have a little extension on my screwdriver. You can reach all of those. I like to have a magnet so I can reach down in there and pull those 8mm out once I remove them. All right, so we have the 2 in the center that I'm going to pull out first from both sides because those are the easiest to get to. And we'll get the ones that are deeper in there. And I'll use the magnet to pull these out of there. All right, now this screen should pull straight back. Then we can disconnect our 2 connectors that are back here. And the pink one is a little hard to get out usually. I like to use a pick to depress the little button in the middle as I'm pulling out. Now we can do the same thing for our radio screen. All right, we got the 3 bolts removed from our infotainment screen. We can go ahead and pop this free. And same thing with the connectors. We'll just disconnect these 2 and we'll be good to go. Alright, so now that we have our 2 screens out, we're ready for the one piece. Basically install it just like we pulled the other ones out. We're going to plug our connectors in first. Alright, once you got those plugged in, snap it back in place just like you would have with the 2 separate screens. And now we can go ahead and reinstall all of the 8mm bolts that are holding this on. All right, before we turn it on, I'm going to remove our screen protector. All right, so there you go. In about 15-20 minutes time, we completed the upgrade. This really gives the interior a premium feel, makes it much more modern feeling in here to have that single screen display. But if you like this kind of video and you want to see more, please head back to Infotainment.com. Thanks for watching.